Konnichiwa! Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna jump straight into this video and start off by showing you guys the products that I'll be using today. First off, I'll be using this face paint that I bought at Don Quijote while I was still in Japan. And I also picked up this pack with some tube paints because I wasn't sure which one would be better for me to use for this look. And for the application, I'll be using this wooden spatula. The idea to do this geisha makeup was actually from my brother-in-law, who said to me a few days before I went to Japan that, "Oh Mariam, you have to do a geisha makeup while you're in Japan," and I was totally for it, totally excited to do it. So after the first week in Japan, I went to quite a few stores and asked for geisha makeup, and these were the stuff that they showed me, and I bought them immediately, but then I got sick. So this is the reason why you guys are just seeing this right now. After evenly applying the product on my face, I'm taking this flat foundation brush and blending it in. I realized by this point that I had put way too much paint on my face. I thought that I needed a lot, but then I'm looking at it and it's like looking like a face mask instead of like makeup. So I had to go in afterwards and remove some of it. So that's what I'm doing right now, where I'm using this spatula to take back some of the makeup off my face. Next, I'm taking a damp beauty sponge and I'm using that to press it in. And also I'm using it to remove some of the excess product from the skin, that it will look a lot more even. And this is the amount that is remaining after I completed my entire face. Now I'm going in and I'm doing my neck, and I'm taking the brush and I'm just taking up small portions at a time and applying very thin layers to my neck and chest. Then I'm taking a damp beauty sponge and blending it in. Afterwards, I went back in and put some more product on areas that needed a little bit more and blended it in. For the powder, guys, I didn't have any white or translucent powder to use, so I'm going in with this baby powder. But I do recommend, if you guys have white setting powder, to use that instead. For the back of the neck, I'm using the paint to make two upside down triangles. I folded this sheet of paper towel and I damped one corner of it, and I'll be using it to clean up the triangles at the back of my neck. I also picked up these face paint crayons and I'll be using these to do my brows. Now you can take a red lip liner pencil, or you can use eyeshadow, it doesn't really matter, but I bought these and I just decided to use them. So I first used a red to outline my brows, and then I applied some black and blended it in. And the ends of the brows I left mostly red. Now I'm doing a little bit of eyeshadow to the outer corners of my eyes, just like the geishas normally have it. And I'm taking my Shany palette for that, and I'm using this dark red here. So I'm just applying a small amount of that and then diffusing the sharp edges. And I'm also pulling that red eyeshadow underneath my eyes, mainly to the outer portion of my eyes. Next, I'm taking my black gel liner and I'm making a very tiny line on my upper lids. So I don't want anything dramatic. I'm not making a big wing liner. It's just a subtle looking line on the lids. Then I'm taking this white eyeshadow from the Shany palette and I'm applying that on the inner portions of my eyes. Next, I'm applying some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm going in with this red lip liner pencil and I'm underlining my lips. So I'm making it a lot smaller than the size of my natural lips and I'm making it very rounded. And then I'm going in with this red lipstick from MAC and filling in the lips. These are just some artificial flowers that I picked up at Daiso while I was in Japan, and these are what I'll be using to accessorize my hair. And this is it for the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed my geisha transformation. If you did, please just take a few seconds to give it a thumbs up, as it's really helpful in letting me know what videos you guys would like to see. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. Sumimasen, onegai shimasu, onegai shimasu, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.